Hello, my name is Matt Wandishion, and this is my research project looking at how the gut microbiome composition in golden retrievers affects the hot spot skin condition. What inspired me to pursue this project was my own golden retriever, Gus. He is almost 13 years old and has been plagued by these hot spots his whole life. This skin condition can be characterized by a localized infection of red raised skin and moist pus discharge around the wound, and can be very irritating and painful to the infected dog. I sought to try and understand why he might be getting these hot spots as frequently as he does. In my preliminary research, I learned that the diversity of the gut microbiome can play a huge role in the host's health, which became the center of my focus for my project. We hypothesized that dogs with a history of hotspots will have a less diverse composition of microbes compared to those without hotspots. With the help of my advisor, we formed a proposal for how we would go about researching this question. Learning about research tools in class is one thing, but actually being able to use them in a research project that you design is completely different. We went through the entire process of extracting DNA from our dog fecal samples to sequencing the DNA. This was quite a long process that took place over a couple months, but was an amazing experience I wouldn't have gone otherwise. What we found in our research was that there was actually a more diverse microbiome composition in our dog with a history of hotspots than that of our dog without hotspots, which was really exciting to see after months of hard work in the lab. With this type of project, it's hard to get a sense of how you're coming along until it's processed through a computer visualized aid. I was very excited to produce the data that we did, and am also anxious to further refine my methods and expand upon my research question in the future. We are only beginning to understand the gut microbiome of not only our dogs, but people as well. Understanding how these microbes affect our health can help to advance our medicine and how we treat a certain disease, which is really exciting. Overall, this project was really fun to work on, and I'm happy I got the opportunity to explore my own research question and go through all the steps from formulating your question to performing the actual research. This was a valuable learning experience for me that I was happy to have been a part of.